Leçon 0. Un coup d'œil sur la France. France, or l'Hexagone, is located on the European continent and is bordered by 8 countries: Belgium, Germany, Luxembourg, Italy, Switzerland, Monaco, Andorra and Spain. Le drapeau français, French flag, bleu, blanc, rouge. La capitale de la France, Capital of France, Paris. La fête nationale, National Day, le 14 juillet. L'hymne national, National Anthem, la Marseillaise. La monnaie unique européenne, Common European Currency, l'euro. Les vins, wines, le Bordeaux, le Bourgogne, le Beaujolais. Les fromages, cheese. Le camembert, le roquefort, le brie, le gruyère. Le tunnel sous la Manche. The Channel Tunnel, nicknamed Channel, is a rail tunnel beneath the English Channel linking England and France. Le monde francophone. French is the only language other than English spoken in 5 continents. More than 150 million people speak French as their native tongue, and millions of others use it as a second language. These people make up what is known as le monde francophone, the French-speaking world. Some of the countries where French is the official language or mother tongue are l'Algérie, la Belgique, la Suisse, le Luxembourg. Apprenons les lettres et les sons. Écoutez et répétez. A. Avion, abeille. B. Bonbon, balai. C. Chat, cadeau. D. Dame, dodo. E. Étoile, éléphant. F. Fraise, fusée. G. Glace, girafe. H. Hippo, hibou. I. Île, iguane. J. Jambe, jean. K. Kangourou, koala. L. Lion, langue. M. Maison, mère. N. Nid, nez. O. Orange, oiseau. P. Pantalon, père. Q. Queue, quille. R. Raisin, robe. S. Soleil, serpent. T. T. Tortue. U. Une. Uniforme. V. Vache, vase. W. Wagon, week-end. X. Xylophone. Y. Yeux, yaourt. Z. Zèbre, zéro. Apprenons les accents et la ponctuation. Les accents. Été, l'accent aigu. Found on letter E. Mère, l'accent grave. Found on letters A, E, U. Sound changes only with E. Hôtel, l'accent circonflexe. Can come on any vowels A, E, I, O, U. No change in sound. S. Garçon, l'accent cédille. Comes under C, changes sound to S from que. Noël, le tréma. when two vowels come together and both need to be pronounced separately. La ponctuation. L'apostrophe, the apostrophe, shows omission of a vowel. Le trait d'union, the hyphen, used to connect words. Le point, full stop. Le point d'exclamation, exclamation point. Le point d'interrogation, question mark. La virgule, the comma. Les guillemets, quotation marks. L'arrobase, @ sign. Le sous-tiret, underline. L'espace, space. La majuscule, capital letter. Le minuscule, small letter. A guide to pronunciation. 1. In French, the letter H is mostly silent. As a letter, it has a sound, but in words, it is usually not pronounced. The way it is pronounced is given below in brackets. Homme, hôtel, horloge. 2. The letter G sounds like S in measure. Je, jardin. 3. The letter T and D have a soft pronunciation, whereas in English they have a hard sound. Tu, tomate, table, disque, dîner, difficile. 4. The letter C, if followed by letters I and E, sounds like S, but elsewhere sounds like K. Ce, cette, cidre. Comment, café, carte. 5. In French, CH always has the sound of SH and not as CH in chair. Chaise, château, chanter, chapeau. 6. Some letters in a word are not pronounced in French. The last consonant in a word is not pronounced. Chat, petit, raison, tabac. The last E in a word is not pronounced. Théâtre, difficile, M. Note, when there is an E after the last consonant in a word, the consonant is pronounced. Étudiant, étudiante. Petit, petite.